Your destination is on the right.
It's very low. It is. Brent would love to do something like this.
He would?
Brent? Doesn't he love to see all his old stuff?
Yeah, he took pictures.
Yeah.
Did you come here?
No. He was at the Pittsburgh and all of Miami. He took pictures of everything.
I made a joke if it goes past.
You could cross here. If you had water shoes, you could go out there. Well, let's go explore.
Yeah.
I think there's caves or something. Let's see it. Let's see it. There you go. Keep going, don't stop. All the way, $5 all the way. Keep going, 2 more, you got it. $5, you got it. Did it hurt?
Okay.
Carly.
She's athletic, Tom. Wow, look at her.
It's dangerous.
Oh my god.
Oh my word.
Can you go spot her, please?
Yeah.
If she falls, she'll hit her head. Alright.
Exactly.
Are you expecting all the way out here for your birthday?
Your face is all big in it.
What'd you say?
Yeah.
You see how far it is? Never thought that.
It kind of looks like a cave that used to be by my grandparents. I mean, there was water rushing out of it.
I don't think so.
Can you really go back there?
This rock's probably pulled down.
I'm just gonna stay here.
It's so cool temperature wise.
I just go through the.
Look, look, there's water running.
Aww.
It's a spring. Oh no, it's a pipe.
Oh, is it?
The drain. Get some pictures.
I had no idea there was a cave here.
Carly, reach up again.